The reciprocating saw is popular for performing jobs in demolition or remodeling, construction, plumbing and electrical areas. It is suitable for rough cuts or tasks for various materials from wood to ceramic, cast iron to plastic. One can easily work in any tight spaces and small corners with this saw due to its lightweight and maneuverability. There are many products available to choose the best space heaters for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best space heaters for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dewalt Reciprocating Saw. Dewalt Max Reciprocating Saw, my go-to tool for all sorts of cutting adventures. Whether I'm cutting wood, working with metal, or handling bricks and stones, this amazing tool is always there to help me. This saw is the variable speed trigger. It's like having a personal speed control dial. Need to slow things down for a delicate cut? Crank it up to 3000 strokes per minute when you're in a hurry. It's all about having the right speed for the job, and this saw nails it. The 1/183rd stroke length is like a cutting frenzy, making even the toughest materials surrender quickly. And when it's time to swap blades, the keyless lever action 4-position blade clamp makes it easy. The pivoting adjustable shoe. It helps for extending the life of my blades. The rubber grip is like a soft, reassuring handshake from your tool. It's all about control and less fatigue, especially during those marathon cutting sessions. The double oil-sealed shaft is like a guardian, keeping contamination at bay. I can rely on this saw to stay in top-notch condition for the long haul. It's lightweight, powerful, and super easy to use. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty. It's like having a cutting buddy that never lets you down. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Reciprocating Saw. This BLACK+DECKER BDCR20C20V reciprocating saw is a versatile and perfect home tool that uses a lithium battery to power up. This cordless saw comes with a powerful 3000 SPM motor that has variable speed trigger and electric brake to get proper control over the saw. It is lightweight tool that comes with tool-free blade change and adjustable pivoting shoe will allow the saw to adjust as per convenience and let you use it with ease. The maximum initial battery voltage is measured as 20 V without any workload, and its normal voltage is 18 volts. One can get 20 V reciprocating saw, reciprocating blade, battery, lithium-ion, and charger in this pack. Number 3. WORX Reciprocating Saw. This WORX WX550L axis is a handy cordless tool that comes with a combination of reciprocating saw and jigsaw, which allows you to perform most of the projects with this single tool. This multi-purpose cordless saw is compact, lightweight and easy to use for cutting metal, plastic, wood, PVC pipe, fiberglass, ceramic tile, tree limbs, etc. This versatile and powerful handy tool will make fast, easy and clean cuts. It comes with orbital mode, variable speed and tool-free blade change. Its motor is located on the side of the tool's body that allows the gear and motor to rotate simultaneously. It prevents slippage that results in a smooth constant transfer of power for efficient cut. The built-in dust blower used to clear away the debris and dust and thereby increases the visibility while cutting. It is powered with lithium-ion 20V battery that comes with shareable with other 20V and it share the power share platform. Number 4. Makita Reciprocating Saw. Makita Reciprocating Saw Cutting Partner. Whether I'm dealing with wood, metal, or plastic, this tool handles it. It can cut through things really quickly with its powerful motor that goes up to 2800 strokes per minute and a 1/143rd cutting length. The tool-less blade change system comes to the rescue. It's easy, no more hunting for wrenches or dealing with complicated mechanisms. And speaking of control, that variable speed trigger for adjusting cutting speed precisely to the task at hand. It is light and compact in weight. At just 8.3 pounds with a battery, it's easy on the arms and shoulders. I can work for longer periods without feeling weighed down. Versatility. It's a cutting wizard, handling wood, metal, and plastic with ease. Power galore. That variable speed motor is a beast, making tough cuts feel like a breeze. Hassle-free blade changes. The tool-less system makes blade swaps a walk in the park. Precision control. The variable speed trigger lets me fine-tune my cutting speed. Portability. Lightweight and compact, it's a joy to carry around. It's built to last and backed by a solid 3-year limited warranty, so I know it's in it for the long haul. It has no battery or charger along with the package. But if you already have those from other Makita tools, it's powerful, practical, and a real-time saver. Upgrade your cutting game and say hello to effortless precision. Number 5. SnapFresh Reciprocating Saw. The brand SnapFresh offers a high-speed and high-quality reciprocating saw that is suitable for most of the cutting applications. This multi-purpose saw blade comes with different blades that include 9-inch wood blade, 9-inch limb blade, 6-inch, and two 6-inch metal blades. It is suitable for cutting metal, pipes and wood. It is equipped with a replaceable battery of 20V 2.0 Ah, which can be charged within 1 hour of duration. To prevent accidental injuries, the saw only works when you press the lock switch. It comes with a metal auto lock which lets you change the blades swiftly. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.